Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 impact drivers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Works WU29D. Specifications. Brand name, Works. Type, cordless screwdriver. Certification, C. Certification, None. Power source, battery. Battery voltage, 20 volts. Battery capacity, 2000 mAh/4000 mAh/5000 mAh. Chuck type, 6.35 mm, 1/4 of an inch. Weight, 1.1 kilograms. The item number 2 is Vevor cordless driver drill. Specifications. Brand name, Vevor. Model number, ADPL5. Weight, 3.53 pounds. Rated voltage, 20 volts. Speed, 0 to 2900 RPM. 3 speeds. Max torque, 1300 pounds. Power source, battery. Voltage, 20 volts. Motor type, brushless. Battery capacity, 2.0 Ah. Product size, 9.84 by 5.90 by 3.15 inches. Chuck size, 1/4 of an inch. Motor type, brushless. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Wasai electric screwdriver. Specifications. Brand name, Wasai. Power source, battery. Max torque, 300 Nm. Weight, 1.7 kilograms. Rated voltage, 20 volts. No load speed, 2800 revolutions per minute. Rated input power, 230 watts. Dimensions, 147 mm x 75 mm x 250 mm. Model number, WSZ8. Battery cell type, lithium-ion battery. No load speed, 0 to 3200 revolutions per minute. Special features, power is durable. Charging time, 2-4 hours. Charger adapter input, 100 to 240 volts AC 5060H. Motor, brushless. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.